The clock is ticking. Every moment you wait to start investing, you lose more than just time. Your lows, upbeat music fades in. The screen shows fast-pacing visuals of skyscrapers, stock tickers, and young professionals. A deep, confident voice narrates, potential freedom, wealth, and dreams. But here's the good news. Today, you're taking the first step. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to begin building a future you're proud of. Stick around to the end, because I'll reveal the one thing 99% of beginner investors overlook, which can supercharge your portfolio. Let's dive in. The problem is, narrator. Imagine this. It's 2030. You're in your late 20s or early 30s. Everyone around you seems to have it figured out. A house, vacations, savings stacked high. And you're stuck in a cycle of paycheck to paycheck stress. Why? Because no one ever taught you how to invest. Spoiler alert, burying your cash under the mattress isn't an investment strategy, but here's the scary truth. Every $1,000 you don't invest in your 20s could cost you over $16,000 by retirement. That's the power of compounding and the danger of waiting. Quick question. If you could choose between $1,000 now or $16,000 later, which would you pick? Exactly. So why let future you down? The solution isn't, all right, enough with the fear. Let's flip the script. Investing isn't as complicated or exclusive as it seems. I've boiled it down to 3 simple steps anyone can follow. Start, grow, protect. Step 1, start. Open an investing account. If apps like Robinhood, Fidelity, or Vanguard sound intimidating, don't worry. Think of them as your financial gym membership. The hardest part is showing up. Also, can we agree, clicking a few buttons is way easier than doing burpees. Step 2, grow. Animation of money trees sprouting leaves. Grow. Begin with index funds. These are baskets of stocks that follow the market, aka the safest bet for beginners. You're not trying to beat the market, you're learning to ride its waves. But what if I told you there's a way to speed up your growth without taking crazy risk? Hold that thought. Step 3, protect animation of a shield over a portfolio. Protect. As you invest, build an emergency fund, 3 to 6 months worth of expenses, because the market can be unpredictable, but your bills, not so much. The payoff, inspiration, and call to action today is, now imagine this, it's 5 years from now, your portfolio is growing, you're not just surviving, you're thriving, all because you took action today. Oh, and remember that one thing I mentioned earlier? It's patience. The market rewards those who play the long game. Time, not timing, is the real secret weapon. Your future self will thank you for this moment, but don't stop here. Want to learn how to take your investing game to the next level? Click on the video on your screen now. In it, I'll show you the strategies pros use to trade and grow wealth. End screen appears with a CTA to watch the trading/finance video.